Today I'd like to talk about how to build up diminished and augmented chord. So let's start from major chord first because it's the easiest way to build up from that. So we're starting from, let's just pick the key, which is a D major. So let's start from D major chord. So D major has got the F sharp and C sharp. So you need to add a sharp next to F. And so this is how D major chord looks like. So D major chord, the distance between the bass to the middle is a major third. Alright, and then the middle note to the top is the minor third. So now we're trying to turn it into augmented chord. So augmented chord consists of only major third. So that's a D and F sharp. And then the A you have to raise by semitone. So that is A sharp instead of A. So that is how augmented looks like. So the distance between the notes are major third only. So the bass to the middle is a major third, and the middle note to the top is also major third. Augmented chord consists of major third only. So D to F sharp is a major third, F sharp to A sharp is also major third. Alright, so let's try to turn it into our first inversion. Alright, so now we're trying to move the bass note higher and then keeping the other two notes staying the same. Alright, so that is a D major chord. Alright, and then that is how the first inversion looks like. So that is a D major chord, first inversion. Alright, so now let's try to turn it into a second inversion by moving the bass note octave higher and then keeping all the two notes staying the same. Alright, and so now you end up having the fifth note on the bass, and that is D major, second inversion, 6/4. Alright, now let's try to turn it into a minor chord. So minor chord, you have to lower the third by semitone. So instead of having F sharp, you're going to have F. Yeah, because the third needs to be lowered by semitone. That's how you turn major chord into minor, and then keeping the fifth the same. Alright, so you have D, F, and A. So the distance between the bass to the middle note is minor third, and then the middle note to the top will be major third. Okay, so now we're trying to turn it into a diminished chord. Diminished chord consists of only minor third. So D to F, which is a minor third. Okay, and then F to A. Right, when you're trying to turn minor to diminish, you have to lower the fifth by semitone. So you need to put a flat to lower the fifth by semitone. So D, F, A flat, which consists of only minor third. So D to F is the minor third. F to A flat is also the minor third. Alright, so that's why you need a flat as you lower the fifth by semitone from minor chord. So that's how you turn minor chord into diminished chord. Alright.